Good afternoon. Today is Saturday. It's raining. It just stopped a minute ago, but we still have cloudy. Yesterday was 73, a lot warmer and sunny. But hey, we got this lift together. In the last episode, we put it together and raised the lift up just for testing. But today, though, we're gonna lift this car up and we'll do it together. All right, let's do it. And here we go. And as we did last time when we were testing, we got to make sure this clicks in. There we go. We're all the way up. Now let's slide in and take a look under and see what it looks like. All in all, it looks good. I like it. It's not as high as I'd like it to be, but it's about 17 inches. So it's good for me to rotate tires, change oils, and whatever minor things that I need to do with my car. So, and there you go. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.